Good afternoon, LC people. What's Dave been about today? Well, what can I tell you? Front sprocket went on, chain guard, brand new all speeds has gone on, the stator went on, the mag went on, power valve bits, plugs, temperature sensor, balance tube hiding in there. Been a bit of a dysfunctional morning, if I'm honest. It's looking nice. I love the all speeds look on it. Starting to look like a power valve now. Yeah, I come to put the mag on and none of the blocks actually married up with a loom. So I've had to redo this. I've had to redo that one and redo this one. The blocks I had on these didn't match up with the loom. The colours were all correct, but they've been changed before. And I had to resolve that. That took a bit longer than I expected. So yeah, I went to fetch the all speeds from home. They came, went on, looked beautiful. What else can I say? Yeah, the front bit's gone on here now. The framework, so I've got to put the ignition on it, the clocks on it, indicators, headlamp bucket, horns. I'm going to put proper rubber hoses on it. Switch gear to rebuild, master cylinder, you know the bits and pieces for the handlebars. Found some carbs out. They're going to have to go in the ultrasonic cleaner that's lurking over there. Not used it for a while, so I think that's my first job. Eat that thing up in the morning, strip them carbs and give them a good dosing. And while they're doing, I think I'll rebuild the switch gear. I'm still looking for the radiator for it in the infills, but they'll show up. So once the carbs are done, it'll need the rev counter cable hiding in there, throttle cable, pump sorting out. And we'll see where the day goes tomorrow, but yeah, it's just the wiring bit sort of took me a bit of time. I scratched my head a little bit and realised, yeah, I'm going to have to do something to resolve it. But I have, and I'm happy about it. It's really all I've got to report to you about this bike. Not sure what he wants to do with the clocks. If I have to zero them, I'll zero them. And wait for him to come back to me about that. But Eddie will be overjoyed with this. It's come a long way this week. But there's not many more days left in it. It's just scratching around for the bits that have been misplaced. It's been to bits, this bike has a little while. And the parts have been moved around the workshop and into another unit. And, ah dear. It's scratching to find the parts. They're the bits that sort of made me scratch my head. But other than that, no, I'm quite happy about it. I put a gear mod on it as well. This is not too far away, folks, to be fair. But I'll keep you updated, keep you posted about it. I'm sure you'll want to see a bit more progress on it. I can't wait for the paintwork. It's going to be black with red stripe, I think it is, that he's having on it. But it will look absolutely fabulous. All right, folks, I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.